You know that feeling you get on Sunday evening? That dread that tells you you're stuck in the 9 to 5 and it's not going anywhere? That does not have to be your reality. You see, the world's changing. Have you ever heard of AI? Yeah, it's everywhere. And you feel like maybe you're getting left behind? You want to be your own boss, but then you think, oh man, I don't have any money to start anything. You think that it's going to take a lot of cash. Maybe you need a computer science degree to get involved with AI. That's absolutely not true anymore. What if the same tech that feels so intimidating right now to you is actually your ticket out? I know. Wait, hear me out, because the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the blueprint to launch your own business this week with $0 down and no excuses with AI. I get it. The whole starting your business thing can be totally overwhelming, and especially when you feel like you're on the outside of tech looking in. You're not a coder, you're not a tech guru, you're just someone who wants freedom. You want more control over your life, your time, your money. And the fact is, that's the most powerful place to start. When you feel like you want more control, when you feel like you're ready to start your own and be your own boss. Oh, by the way, I put together a free AI side hustle quick start guide that gives you step-by-step checklist for each of the businesses so that you can hit the ground running today. And I'll tell you how to grab that in just a second. The truth is, the AI revolution isn't just for Silicon Valley big shots, it's for everyone. It has blown the doors that used to be locked for everyone without a ton of funding or technical skills. In fact, tons of AI tools are now built for beginners, and you can get rolling with powerful free versions or free trials. Today, I'm breaking down 5 real practical AI-powered businesses that you can start with absolutely no money. These are not sketchy get-rich-quick schemes. We don't do that here. They are legitimate, service-based businesses that solve real problems. For each one, I'm going to explain the problem it solves and why it's a golden opportunity right now and the exact steps that you need to take to land your first client for free. By the end of this, you won't just have ideas, you'll have a clear path of becoming your own boss. Now, the 5th one is the best and I believe has the biggest upside for making money. Let's get started. The AI affiliate marketing niche channel. The AI industry is exploding. It feels like mind-blowing new AI launches every single day. People are curious and excited, but they are also completely overwhelmed. They're asking the questions is, which AI video editor is actually the best? Is the AI writer worth the money? What is the best tools for a total beginner? They are actively looking for a trusted guide to cut through the noise and give them honest recommendations. That can be you. You can be their guide and don't need a world-class AI expert to do it. You just need to be one step ahead of your audience, willing to learn and share what you find. The business is called AI affiliate marketing. You create content, make a blog, a YouTube channel, or a TikTok account, reviewing and showing how to use different AI tools. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate and signs up for the tool, you earn a commission. It doesn't cost them anything extra. Here's how to start for free. You don't need a fancy website. You just need to start a blog on a free platform like Medium, or just create a new YouTube or social media account. Next, start signing up for affiliate programs with popular AI tools. Almost all of the AI tools have an affiliate program. To get content, just sign up for the free trials of these tools. Record your screen while you're testing them out. Give real, honest opinions. Show them what you're doing as you videotape the screen. What did you love? What was confusing? Who is the perfect tool for? Create super helpful tutorials and comparison videos like the 5 best free AI image generators. Share your content in relevant online communities. Just be real, be helpful, and be honest, and to build that trust. As your audience grows, so will your affiliate income, creating an awesome stream of passive income. Business idea number 2, the AI-powered website builder. In 2025, if your business isn't online, then it just doesn't exist. How many times have you gone to look and Google for something and you go, oh, I know this company, I've heard of this company, and all of a sudden they don't have a website. You think less of them. You do. That's just the way it is. Yet so many small businesses, freelancers, and artists either have websites that they look like they're from 2005 or no website at all, right? The reason usually is because they think it's going to cost a fortune and it's going to be a technical nightmare to keep it updated. They get a quote for thousands of dollars from a web design agency and just say no and give up. The fear of complexity and cost keeps them stuck, and they lose customers every single day because of it. But what if you could swoop in and offer them a beautiful, professional, modern website and get it live in just a few days for the price they can actually afford? That's exactly what you can do with AI-powered website builders. Platforms like Wix AI, Squarespace AI, and also on GoDaddy. These things have changed the game. You don't need to know a single line of code. You just need to feed the AI some information about the business and it generates the entire website for you. Add the text, add the images, all in minutes. Here's how you get going with that and no money. First, pick a platform and sign up for a free plan. Use it to build a slick professional website for yourself, for your own AI website business. Boom, that's your portfolio. Second, hunt for clients who are desperate for help. A great place to start is in your own backyard. Do a Google Maps search for like plumbers in your city or bakers in your city. Click through and find the businesses that have really cringe-worthy websites or no website at all. Send them a couple of direct emails. Hi, so-and-so, I noticed you don't have a website. I build affordable websites for local businesses and I'd love to create a free mock-up of one homepage for you. No strings attached. Then use your AI tool to whip up a gorgeous design in 30 minutes. When they see the stunning site you made for free, your service basically sells itself. You can charge a one-time fee to set it up and then a small monthly fee to host and maintain. Remember, if you want all the steps laid out in an easy-to-follow checklist, make sure you grab my free AI Side Hustle Starter Guide, and I put it all together for you. It's going to save you hours of trying to figure all this stuff out on your own, I promise. The link is in the description. Business idea number 3 is the AI-powered course and coaching copilot. Everybody has a skill, everybody has some knowledge, and that knowledge can be taken and put into a place where you can teach. Whether it's marketing, playing the guitar, baking, whatever it may be, that you can use to teach others. The online learning market is absolutely massive, but so many potential experts get stopped in their tracks by the sheer thought of actually creating a course. They get stuck trying to outline the curriculum, write the video scripts, create quizzes, and design presentations. The work involved becomes huge and almost overwhelming. It puts a wall and keeps them from sharing their knowledge. This is where you can use AI and your ultimate creation copilot. AI tools can so help you brainstorm and structure the online course from just a single idea. It can help you write engaging video scripts, generate quiz questions, and even design the presentation slides. This massively lowers the barrier to entry, letting you focus on what you do best, and that's teach. Here's a zero investment path. You ready? First, use a tool like ChatGPT to help you outline a small, high-value mini course on coaching a particular topic that you know well. You can even make the course about one of these AI businesses I just mentioned. Don't try to build a 20-hour epic course right out of the gate. Start small. Use free tools like Canva to create simple presentation slides. Record your lessons with free software like Loom or OBS Studio to host it, and you can start with a simple prep form or even just deliver it through Zoom or Google Meet live. Offer your first course or coaching session at a very low price, or even maybe free, to a handful of beta testers in exchange for their honest feedback and testimonials. Use those testimonials to launch your course to the world. AI helps you get the product built, and you can get the business off the ground with zero upfront costs. Business number 4, the AI Content Creation Agency. Let's kick things off with a problem every single business on the planet has right now, and that is the need for never-ending content. They need blog posts, social media captions, marketing emails, website copy. The list is absolutely exhausting. Most small business owners are juggling a million things at once, and creating good, consistent content is a massive time suck for them, and they just can't handle it. They know they need it, but they're too swamped to write it, or can't afford thousands of dollars for a marketing agency. That's $1,000 a month, by the way. This is where you slide in. Imagine being the hero for these overwhelmed business owners. You can offer to take their entire content creation off their plate for a fraction of what a big agency would charge. And here's the secret sauce. You're using AI as your super-powered assistant. AI writing tools have gotten ridiculously good. Platforms like ChatGPT, Copy.ai, and Jasper, Claude, Gemini have free tiers or trials that are more powerful than you need to get started. These tools can whip up high-quality drafts for blogs, social media posts, and ads within minutes, not hours. Here's your step-by-step for this $0 launch plan. First, sign up for one of the free versions of the AI writing tools. Play around with them for a few hours and get the feel for how you can make your prompt. Prompt engineering is important. And that's just a fancy way of saying learning how to ask the questions from AI to get what you need and what you want. YouTube is packed with free tutorials on this. Second, go find your first client. Hop on a platform like Fiverr, Upwork, create a profile offering AI-assisted blog post writing and social media content for small businesses. You have to mention AI in the ads because that's the right thing to do. You can't say you wrote it when you're using AI to assist you. To really stand out, offer a free taste. I'll write you the first 500-word blog post for free so you can see how good I am. You can test out my quality. You can also join local business groups like on Facebook or some other and help them that way. Reach out to them through those business groups. One amazing client who started with a free sample is worth 10 maybes. Once you blow them away, the value, you can sign up them on a monthly retainer. You're not just selling content, you're selling them back their time and peace of mind, and that is priceless. Okay, now it's time for the AI side hustle that has the best upside. This one will make you money. It is the AI Chatbot setup services. Picture this, a potential customer lands on a website at night. The business is closed. They just have a simple question about a product, but there's no one there to answer. No live chat. Frustrated, they click away and go straight to a competitor. That's a lost sale. This happens thousands of times a day. Businesses are literally losing money while they sleep because they can't offer 24/7 support. They think that getting a chatbot requires a team of developers and huge budget. You can be the person who solves the expensive problem with a simple, smart solution, a no-code AI chatbot. These days, setting up an AI chatbot isn't some complex coding project. Tools like TDO, MaryChat, and Chatful let you build intelligent chatbots with a simple drag and drop interface. These bots can answer common questions, qualify leads, book appointments, and point customers in the right direction 24/7. And here's your $0 startup plan. Sign up for a free plan on one of these that have a no-code chatbot platforms. Spend the day watching their tutorials, building a couple of practice bots, really get to know how they work. Next, find a business that would get the most bang for your buck, like an e-commerce store, a real estate agent, or local services. They get tons of repetitive questions. Reach out and offer to set up a basic chatbot for their site for free in exchange for a testimonial. Nothing's for free. You got to get the testimonial. Just say, let me show you how much time this can save you. And if you love it, we can talk about a small monthly fee to manage it. If not, you keep the basic bot for free. Once a business owner sees bot handling customers' chats while they're asleep, they'll book you. They'll be hooked on it. From there, you can upsell them even more advanced features for a solid reoccurring revenue stream. Powerful business you can start right now with $0, zero excuses, and zero waiting for the perfect time. Every one of these businesses solves a problem and gives you a clear shot at scaling your income and eventually leaving the 9-to-5 behind for good. Zechariah 4:10 says, "Do not despise the small beginnings, for the Lord rejoices to see the work begin." The technology that might have seemed like a threat is actually the biggest opportunity right now. It is the ultimate tool to escape your 9-to-5, guaranteed. The only thing separating you from being in business and being a business owner is, well, guess what? The decision for you to start. Stop waiting for the perfect time, or I need a bag of money to fall out of the sky. Now's the time, and the tools are free. If one of these ideas sparked something in you, drop a comment below. I want to hear from you and what you're thinking. And don't forget to download the free AI Side Hustle Quick Start Guide to get a step-by-step plan for starting your business this week. And hey, if you're thinking, okay, I picked my side hustle, but I just can't seem to get started. Actually, nothing gets started for me. Don't worry, you're not alone. That happens to a lot of people. And I made this video right here about simple strategy called task snacking that will help you build momentum and start getting things done today. You know, movement beats motivation every time, all the time. The video linked right here on the screen is in the description. Watch it next and keep on hustling.